So we'll just crack it on open here. It's the AFE cold air intake. And I went with the AFE as opposed to the JLT because the AFE is fully enclosed. It has a protective layer around it. It acts as a heat shield as well as an enclosure to protect from water or any debris surrounding the engine bay. So in my opinion, it was worth paying more, the extra money, as opposed to going for the JLT, which only has the heat shield. And here are all the contents that's in it. All right, so we'll go ahead and get it installed. Remove the engine cover. And I'm installing this in no particular order because I've installed this before on a Ram 1500, same exact cold air intake. So I'm just kind of breezing through this. I'm familiar with the steps. Uh, the steps that I'm using is not the steps that's in the instructions. I'm just doing it the way I remember and just getting it done. And before we remove this housing here, don't forget to disconnect the connector. And it's kind of snug and tight on there, so we'll just grab a screwdriver and go ahead and pry it on out there. There we go, just like that. And here there's a little green piece that's holding the little rubber hose into the housing. And we're just going to pry it off here with a screwdriver or some kind of pry tool. Get that off, and then you'll be able to remove that piece there. And so we'll go ahead and add our first piece here. Here I'm just kind of sizing it up, make sure I got the right intake here. And so we'll find our rubber piece that attaches to it. Go ahead and locate it there and add 2 clamps. Now later on, we'll come back and loosen this up a little bit because on the airbox housing side, it's going to be a little bit too tight. So we'll have to come back, loosen this up a little bit to give it a little bit of wiggle room. So, but for now, we'll just kind of snug it down. We won't tighten it all the way. And we'll go ahead and remove this piece here. And we'll go back to our stock air duct and remove other end. Now we'll go connect our air box. Notice I inserted my filter into it already. And this part is a little snug, so we're going to, like I said, we're going to have to go back and loosen that other end a little bit. Get it fitted properly and go ahead and clamp our first clamp down. And this job is nearly complete. Once this clamp is down, there's one final clamp, and that will be the final install. Here I couldn't find my deep socket, so I'm going to actually use a pair of pliers. And I'm just trying to get it fitted to the right position. And here's a complete install of our AFE air intake system. Looks really good. Stay tuned.